Imagine waking up in your cozy small town, sipping your morning coffee and stepping out into a thriving business that you built from the ground up. Now picture this. That business isn't just making ends meet. It's generating serious cash, maybe even more than you ever thought possible. If you're an entrepreneur or someone with a nose for unique business opportunities, this video is your golden ticket to discovering 25 small-town business ideas that work in 2024. These aren't your average corner store suggestions. We're diving deep into rare, innovative ideas with huge profit potential, tailor-made for small-town living. So let's get into it. Grab a notepad, because you're going to want to remember these. 1. Rare plant nursery. In 2024, rare and exotic plants are all the rage, especially among urban millennials and Gen Z. By starting a specialty plant nursery in your small town, you can tap into this booming market and potentially make $50,000 to $150,000 per year. The key is to source hard-to-find Instagram-worthy plants that you can sell online and at local markets. 2. Vintage fashion reseller. Thrifting and vintage clothing have blown up in the past few years, and the trend shows no signs of slowing down. By scouring thrift stores, estate sales, and auctions in your small town, you can find hidden gems to resell on platforms like Depop, Poshmark, and Etsy for 5 to 10 times the original price. This business can potentially earn you $30,000 to $100,000 annually. 3. Subscription mystery boxes. People love the element of surprise, which is why subscription mystery boxes have become so popular. By curating unique, themed boxes filled with cool products, you can tap into this lucrative market and earn $20,000 to $100,000 per year. The key is to find a niche that excites your audience, whether it's snacks from around the world, indie beauty products, or gadgets for tech lovers. Artisanal soap making. Handmade small-batch soaps are in high demand, especially among conscious consumers who want to avoid harsh chemicals. By mastering the art of soap making, you can sell your products online, at local markets, and to boutiques for $5 to $15 per bar. This business can potentially earn you $30,000 to $80,000 annually. Specialty pet treats. Pets are beloved members of the family, and pet owners are willing to spend big bucks on premium, healthy treats. By creating unique, gourmet pet treats in your small-town kitchen, you can sell them online and to local pet stores for $2 to $8 per bag. This business has the potential to make you $40,000 to $120,000 per year. Annually. 7. CBD hemp products. The CBD and hemp craze isn't going anywhere, and savvy entrepreneurs can cash in by creating their own line of tinctures, topicals, edibles, and other wellness products. With the right branding and marketing, you can sell these items online and to local retailers for 200 to 500% markup, potentially earning $40,000 to $150,000 per year. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 8. Customized woodworking. Handmade, custom wood products like furniture, home decor, and gifts are hugely popular, especially among millennials and Gen Z. By honing your woodworking skills and offering a wide range of customizable items, you can sell your creations online and to local stores for 300 to 500% profit, potentially earning $30,000 to $100,000 annually. 9. Local tour guide. Small towns are often filled with hidden gems, local history, and unique experiences that tourists are eager to discover. By positioning yourself as the go-to tour guide in your area, you can lead walking tours, food tours, ghost tours, and more for $20 to $50 per person. This business has the potential to earn you $30,000 to $80,000 per year. 10. Specialty food trucks have taken the country by storm, and small-town residents are always eager for new, unique dining options. By creating a specialty food truck serving up gourmet burgers, creative tacos, artisanal ice cream, or any other in-demand cuisine, you can earn $30 to $100 per customer and potentially make $50,000 to $150,000 annually. 11. Vintage video game reseller. Retro gaming has made a major comeback, and collectors are willing to pay big bucks for rare, mint-condition classic video games and consoles. By scouring garage sales, thrift stores, and flea markets in your small town, you can find hidden gems to resell online for 5 to 10 times the original price, potentially earning $40,000 to $120,000 per year. 12. Personalized gift baskets. Gift giving is a huge industry, and people love the personal touch of custom-curated gift baskets. By sourcing unique, locally made products in your small town and assembling beautiful, Instagram-worthy gift sets, you can sell them online and to local businesses for 200 to 300% markup. This business has the potential to earn you $30,000 to $100,000 annually. 13. Small batch honey preserves. Consumers are increasingly seeking out locally sourced artisanal food products, and small batch honey and preserves fit the bill perfectly. By keeping a few beehives or investing in a commercial kitchen, you can sell your gourmet honey, jams, and chutneys online, at farmers markets, and to specialty food stores for 300 to 500% profit, potentially earning $40,000 to $120,000 per year. 14. Specialty pet grooming. Pampering our furry friends is big business, and pet owners are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality grooming services. By opening a small-town pet spa offering nail trims, baths, haircuts, and other luxurious treatments, you can charge $30 to $100 per service and potentially make $50,000 to $150,000 annually. Vintage motorcycle restoration. Classic motorcycles are experiencing a major resurgence in popularity, and collectors are eager to get their hands on restored vintage bikes. By honing your mechanical skills and finding old bikes to refurbish in your small town, you can sell them online and to local enthusiasts for 300 to 500% markup, potentially earning $40,000 to $120,000 per year. Artisanal pasta company. Homemade small batch pasta is a huge trend, especially among foodies and health-conscious consumers. By mastering the art of pasta making and selling your products online, to local restaurants and at farmers markets, you can charge $5 to $15 per pound and potentially make $30,000 to $100,000 annually. Boutique fitness studio. Smaller towns are often underserved when it comes to high-end fitness studios, creating an opportunity for savvy entrepreneurs. By opening a boutique gym focused on in-demand workouts like yoga, Pilates, or barre, you can charge $50 to $200 per month per member and potentially earn $40,000 to $150,000 per year. 18. Mobile barbershop. Traditional barbershops are a dying breed, but the demand for high-quality men's grooming services remains strong. By outfitting a van or trailer with all the essential barber equipment, you can bring your mobile barbershop to office parks, events, and other locations in your small town, charging $20 to $40 per cut and potentially making $30,000 to $100,000 annually. 19. Specialty liquor distillery, craft distilleries, and unique small-batch spirits are all the rage, and savvy entrepreneurs can cash in by starting their own mini distillery in their small town. Whether it's artisanal gin, award-winning whiskey, or innovative liqueurs, you can sell your products online, to local bars and restaurants, and directly to consumers for 300 to 500% markup, potentially earning $50,000 to $200,000 per year. 20. Vintage car detailing. With the rise of the classic car craze, there's a huge demand for high-end detailing services that can restore vintage vehicles to showroom condition. By honing your car cleaning and restoration skills, you can charge $200 to $1,000 per job and potentially make $40,000 to $150,000 annually. Gourmet dog treats. Pets are beloved members of the family, and pet owners are willing to spend big bucks on premium, healthy treats. By creating unique artisanal dog treats in your small town kitchen, you can sell them online and to local pet stores for $3 to $10 per bag. This business has the potential to earn you $30,000 to $100,000 per year. Specialty glassblowing studio. Hand-blown, artisanal glassware is becoming increasingly popular, and small-town glassblowing studios can capitalize on this trend. By mastering the art of glassblowing and selling your one-of-a-kind creations online, at local markets and to home decor stores, you can charge $50 to $500 per piece and potentially make $40,000 to $150,000 annually. Vintage furniture restoration. With the continued popularity of mid-century modern and farmhouse-inspired design, there's a huge demand for beautifully restored vintage furniture. By scouring thrift stores, estate sales, and your local community for hidden gems, you can refurbish and refinish them to sell online or to local interior design stores for $300 to $500% markup, potentially earning $30,000 to $100,000 per year. Small batch candle company. Handmade, artisanal candles are all the rage, and consumers are willing to pay premium prices for unique, high-quality scents. By creating your own small batch candle line in your small town, you can sell them online, at local markets, and to boutiques for $10 to $30 per candle. This business has the potential to earn you $30,000 to $100,000 annually. Mobile pressure washing service. Keeping homes, businesses, and other properties looking their best is an ongoing need, and pressure washing services are in high demand. By investing in the right equipment and offering mobile pressure washing in your small town, you can charge $100 to $500 per job and potentially make $40,000 to $120,000 per year. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.